At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for your Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, business is a smart move to protect your personal assets and establish a formal business structure. Here's a general guide on how to do it. 1. Research and plan. Understand the legal requirements and benefits of forming an LLC in your state or country. Each jurisdiction may have different rules and regulations. Consider consulting with a lawyer or accountant who specializes in business formations to ensure you understand all implications. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming requirements. Ensure the name is not already in use by another business. Check if the desired name is available as a domain name for your online presence. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization, sometimes called certificate of formation or similar, with the appropriate state agency. This usually involves submitting a form and paying a filing fee. Provide details such as the LLC's name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 4. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. This can be an individual or a registered agent service. 5. Create an operating agreement. Draft an operating agreement, which outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. While not always required by law, it's a crucial internal document that clarifies the roles and responsibilities of members and helps protect your limited liability status.
6. Opting an ein.
Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique identifier is necessary for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees if needed. You can usually obtain an EIN online through the IRS website. 7. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account for your LLC. Use this account for all business transactions, including Amazon FBA-related income and expenses. 8. Comply with tax and regulatory requirements. Understand your tax obligations at the federal, state, and local levels. Consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance. Depending on your business activities and location, you may need to obtain licenses or permits. 9. Update your Amazon seller account. Once your LLC is formed, update your Amazon Seller Central account with the new business information. This may involve providing your EIN, updating your business address, and other relevant details. 10. Maintain compliance. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements for LLCs in your jurisdiction, including annual filings, taxes, and any changes to regulations that may affect your business. Remember, while forming an LLC offers liability protection, it's essential to maintain proper business practices and comply with legal and tax obligations to preserve this protection. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC.